What is API authentication?
API authentication is the process of verifying the identity of users or systems trying to access an API. This step is crucial to protect sensitive data and ensure only authorized parties can use the service. Whether using a website, mobile app, or back-end system, authentication helps prevent unauthorized access and data breaches.
API keys, simple access control.
An API key is a unique identifier that is passed along with requests to prove your identity. Think of it as a password for your app when connecting to an API. API keys are easy to use, but offer basic security. They're often used for simple projects or internal tools where advanced user management isn't required.
Tokens, secure and flexible.
Tokens are small pieces of data that represent a user's identity or permissions. After logging in, your app can receive a token which must be sent with each API request. Tokens are typically short-lived and can be easily revoked, offering improved security and flexibility compared to traditional API keys.
OAuth, advanced user-friendly authentication.
OAuth is an industry-standard protocol that lets users grant apps limited access to their data without sharing passwords. It's commonly used for logging in with services like Google or Facebook. OAuth uses tokens behind the scenes, providing a secure way to connect services while giving users control over their permissions.
Choosing the right method.
When selecting an authentication method, consider your app's needs. API keys are simple but less secure. Tokens provide better security and are suitable for most modern applications. OAuth is best for user-focused apps that require secure, delegated access. Picking the right approach ensures your app stays safe and user data is protected.